Another option is executive education, which is geared toward top-level managers and leaders. The programs are typically application-based and designed for advanced learners with significant life experience. Some programs are degree offering, others produce certifications, like SHRM's HR certification. Still others are hyper-focused on a specific topic, like leadership or cultural competence. This option often relies on blended learning, where trainees spend about half the time on campus, on site, learning through face-to-face live instruction. They spend the other half of their time working on their assignments at their convenience, at home, at the office, wherever they see fit. Traditionally, executive education programs were offered by universities on their campuses. But to meet a growing demand, some universities are now customizing their executive education programs for specific organizations and then asking faculty to travel to that organization and deliver instruction on site so that trainees do not have to travel.